our brand of your product?
Yes, for the brand, you can see that our Aero brand is very popular, especially in Africa, South America, Latin America. But many customers prefer their own brand because they may have too much about marketing around their own brand. So OEM in our factory is also available.
That sounds great. What's your OMQ of your product?
Yes, for MOQ, our general MOQ for the Aero mosquito coils is one container, but customer could choose several sizes or package or some perfumes mixed in one container to give their clients more choice.
How will you deliver the goods?
We usually deliver products by sea or by air. Both is as per customer's demand.
Oh, that sounds great. So, what are the production capacity of the coins?
For our production capacity of the anti-flight coil, right? Anti-flight coils is also like the mosquito coils because they are very similar production process. So the production capacity is also more than 3 million cartons per year.
Oh, that's so many. How many consumers of the coins?
Yes, our normal perfume of our mosquito coils is, our mosquito coils is made of high-class bamboo cutters. So the perfume is natural carbon perfume, but some customers may prefer some perfume like flower or fruit. It's also available. We have like lavender and jasmine perfume, but some other perfume is also available if customer prefer.
That's too many perfumers.
Yes, there are so many choice.
And so, can you give me a sample for it?
Yes, we can too. We are a long distance between our customers, so some customer may prefer a sample before they place the cargo order to us. So we are willing to provide the samples for free, and the customers only need to cover the freight.
Oh yes. What are the size of coins?
We can see that for our mosquito coils, there are main five series. That is A, B, C, D, I. Can you see the difference?
I can see this size of B.
Yes, this is B. This is A. Do you know the difference?
Yes. We can pick. We can different the fish is non smile or smile is freezing.
Yes, for our five series mosquito coils, we can see that this is A. A means non-smoke and perfume. That is means this mosquito coil is a very normal product and non-smoke and non-perfume. Well, for the B, this is a micro smoke and micro perfumes. Some market customers may prefer that there should be some smoke so that they can prove the mosquito coil is effective. Also, C and D, the difference between C and D is also non-smoke and micro smoke. Also, there are another difference is on their size. For the non-smoke for the A series, the diameter is around 140 millimeters. But for the B is 130 millimeter diameter. So the difference between A, B, C, D is mainly two points. One is the smoke and micro smoke and non-smoke. The other is the diameter between 130 millimeter, 140 millimeter. This is the two difference. Also, we can see we have I series means non-smoke and non-perfume at all. This is usually for baby. You know, baby has a very fragile body, so they need very high quality to protect them. So we provide eye for baby family.
Yes, I know the difference of the motorcycle coins. So, Zoe, can you introduce briefly of the motorcycle liquid?
Yes, for our aero mosquito liquid, you know, some customer may think even the non-smoke mosquito coils could do harm to their babies. So we also provide the liquid to their baby. You know, one refill. You know, the repellent liquid usually used with some machine, electrical machine. You know.
Yes.
You also, I believe you also use it, right?
Yes.
For this kind of bottle, we take it as a refill of the electrical machine. You know how long one bottle can use the.
Yes.
How many days one bottle can use?
Yes, about 10 days.
Yes, about 360 hours. It's a very long time. Not only 10 days, I guess. Not only 10 days.
Yes, it's so short. So, what can the certificates do you have?
Yes, for the certificates, you know, we are a very professional and experienced manufacturer of such consumer goods since 2000. It's really a long history. So, during this time, during this period, there are many markets may require very high standard to the factory. So we have passed the ISO, like ISO 9001, ISO 14001. Also, SGS test report. Yes, all our product is passed the SGS test report. So the production. The quality is totally reliable.
Oh yes, so it's sell worldwide.
Yes, our products is very popular and recognized in many markets, in like Africa, South America, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. They really covers more than maybe 100 countries and regions in the world.
Oh. What are the size of motorcycle liquid?
The mosquito repellent liquid we take, there is three plus one in one package. Also, there are many others like three bottles, three refills in one package, or one refill in one package. Various package can be provided just as per customer's demand.
Oh, that's too many size. So how long will I can receive the goods?
Yes, you know, our production capacity for this kind of mosquito repellent is more than 3 million cartons per year. So, of course, our lead time will be very short. It's around 3 to 4 weeks after getting customers' confirmation that we will deliver the cargo to them.
That's too fast.
Yeah, very fast.
I can get goods earlier. So, what is the production capacity of the product?
Yes, for this kind of products, our production capacity is more than 3 million cartons per year. Very big production capacity I believe is in the whole world.
That's too many. So can you give me a simple free, please?
Yes, we are willing to give our provide the samples for free to our customer, because I think this is a very necessary step to introduce our products to the customer. Yes.
That's good. So how many consumers of the liquid?
Our natural liquid is non-smoke and non-perfume. But if customer would like to some perfume like lavender, jasmine, or any other perfume, we can do as per their demand.
Oh yes, I listen your introduction. I want to buy it.
Yes, we in my home, I also use our Arrow mosquito repellent to kill the mosquito coils, flies, or even in the South China, the weather is very wet, so there are many cockroaches in our home. So I also use our mosquito coils or the repellent liquid to protect me from the flies and mosquito coils. Yes. So
yes, I want to know the products. So
yes.
I want to buy it.
Yes, sure. This our Arrow series is really very popular and really effective to protect us in the daily life. So much about our Arrow series. For more details, you can visit our website, that is www.allground.com, and there are many professional customer service are waiting for helping. Let's see a video.